Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 1995 CK1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power brakes, Inside you'll find power steering, tachometer. The Chevrolet CK series offers comfort, convenience, and powertrain options so extensive that it can be tailored to almost any buyer's needs. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.